This is Terry Escobar at Santa Clara University, and you are watching Excel, creating a line chart. As a reminder, a line chart shows lines connecting data points to show trends over equal periods of time. In our example, on the worksheet line chart, we have a data set that reflects the average self-checkout per hour at a library. We have the months in column A, and we have 3 years worth of data in column B, C, and D. Let's just select the data and create a line chart. A3 through D15, go to my Insert ribbon, and in my chart family, I have line chart as an example. Now there's many different types of line charts, but just to make it simple, let's go ahead and select the 2D line chart in the upper left-hand corner. Right away, I see there's some problems. There's actually 3 problems here. If I look at the value axis goes from 0 to 2000. We know that's not true because we see single digits with some decimals in our data set. The second problem is that the X category axis is organized by month in an alphabetical order. We would prefer chronological order. The third problem is that the legend says Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, a generic legend, which means it could not figure out that the year 1999, 2000, and 2001 are a series. So I'm going to delete that. That's a problem. Let's fix the first problem. In column A, we'd like the months to be in chronological order. So I'm going to go up to my editing tool and select Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. This custom sort is going to give me an opportunity to do 2 things. I'm going to check my data has a header which now says months 1999, 2000, 2001 are the header row. I can sort on month, sort values, and instead of an A to Z order, I can choose a custom list. So if you recall, Excel has 4 custom lists built in. The days of the week and the abbreviations of the week, the days of the month and the abbreviations of the month. So I'm going to select the months. OK, and OK again. So now I'm happy with that, January through December. Now let's select our data again, A4 through D15, and we're going to insert a line chart. Now this is better. I'm just going to grow this by using one of my diagonal corners and holding down Shift. Our data goes from 0 to 3.5 on the Y value axis. Our category axis is the months, chronologically set, and we have to fix the legend. So this is where it comes in handy to have on the Chart Tools Design ribbon, under the Data category, select Data. Because I was not able to select 1999, 2000, and 2001 without it thinking it's a value, I now have to edit these manually. So I'm going to click on Series 1, Edit, and click on 1999 in B3. OK. I'm going to click on Series number 2, Edit, and I'm going to click on 2000, which happens to be in C3. And I'm going to click on Series 3, Edit, and click on the 2001 in D3. I'm done, so I'll click OK, and now my legend is set. This is still quite a busy chart. I might want to think about breaking up the data by quarter, so I only have 4 data points, but this is the data we were given, so this is the chart we've created. I'm going to put a title, and call this self-checkout at the library, 1999 to 2001. And then I'm going to put some title on my y-axis. So I have to go to Add Chart Elements, Axis Title, Primary Vertical, because I'd really like my reader to understand that this is the average number of checkouts. Maybe I'll put self-checkouts per hour. Obviously, we don't have to put an axis title for our category x-axis. Pretty much everyone knows those are months. The only thing left to do here is perhaps to go to our quick layouts and see when we hover over these quick layouts, do we like any of these layouts better than what we've already done? And so if we find one we like, we can stick with it, or we can just click out of our quick layouts to get out of that. Let's consider adding markers to this line chart. I'd like my reader to see that red perhaps is a triangle, the blue has squares, and we'll choose a marker for green. To do that, we're going to have to change the chart type, which is on the Chart Tools design ribbon, Change Chart Type. I've selected that, and now I can see that Excel knows I have a line chart, and I've selected Line Chart Style 1. So I'm going to choose Line Style 4, which is Line with Markers. I'm going to click OK, and Excel puts circles for all of them. Well, how do we change this? Let's go ahead and click on our red circles and go to Format, Format Selection. We get the Format Data Series pane to the right, and we're going to choose the bucket, Fill and Line. Fill and Line is the default, but notice that's where Markers is. It's kind of hidden in this product. Marker, and I'm going to choose Marker Options. Drop down and use one of the built-in types, which is triangle, we said. So that looks good. Let's go to our blue. We said for blue we'd like to have built-in style square, and for green we want built-in style, well, let's choose diamonds. And now when I take a close look at my legend, blue is squares, red is triangles, and green is diamonds. Thank you for watching Excel, creating a line chart.